Hello and welcome. If you're interested in creating lifelike AI talking characters for your videos, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a complete, easy-to-follow process to help you generate professional quality AI avatars for your channel. We'll be covering everything, from generating character images to converting them into talking videos with hand gestures and expressions. Step 1. Create your AI character image. We'll use Leonardo AI for generating high-quality character images. Visit Leonardo AI and create a free account. Once inside, go to the image generation section. In the model settings, select Flux to V and disable Prompt Enhance. Under the Style drop-down, choose Portrait Cinematic. Set the image size to 16:9 for better video framing. In the prompt box, enter a detailed description of your character. You can personalize it with your channel name or any specific look you're going for. Click Generate to create the image. If you're not satisfied with the result, generate again until you get the desired look. Download the image you like best. Step 2. Enhance the image quality. To improve the visual appeal, remove the background using remove.bg. Upload your image, let it process, and then download the result. Go to Canva and start a new YouTube thumbnail project. Upload both the original and background removed images. Set the original image as the background and overlay the background removed image on top for clarity. Use Canva's built-in tools like Image Enhancer and adjust to upscale, brighten, and highlight the image. Once you're happy with the look, download the final image. Step 3. Convert image to talking video. For this, we'll use Runway ML. Sign up and log into Runway ML. Upload your enhanced image. In the video generation prompt, enter a description including hand gestures and talking animation. Select the model Gen 3 Alpha and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Click Generate and wait for the process to complete. Preview the video. If satisfied, download it.
If you want to generate more videos and get unlimited credits for Runway ML, click the I button to watch the video.
Free versions of Runway ML may include watermarks. You can use their paid version to avoid them. Final step, add voice and script to make your character speak your script. You can use lip syncing and voiceover tools. Accessing prompts. All example prompts used in this tutorial are available in description. That's it. Now you know how to generate realistic AI talking characters, enhance their images, animate them, and produce high-quality content for your channel. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future tutorials. See you in the next video with more exciting tools and tips.